Meet Snazzy, the brand new Shopify theme built for modern fashion stores. Bold, clean, and designed for one thing: turning visitors into customers. Impress from the very first scroll with striking hero banners, shoppable video stories, and editorial layouts that make your brand unforgettable. Turn inspiration into sales with shoppable lookbooks. Show complete outfits and let customers add every piece to cart in a single click. Boost your average order value with the built-in bundle builder. Shoppers mix and match their favorite pieces and unlock exclusive discounts. Every product page is built to convert, with countdown timers, color swatches, size charts, and live stock counters that create real urgency. Help shoppers find what they love fast with smart filtering, quick view, mega menus, and enhanced search. And with the flexible section builder, every page is yours to design. No code needed. Snazzy, available now on the Shopify theme store. Try it free, customize until you love it, and only pay when you publish.